Hello everyone, I'm Shui. This video I will show you how to integrate the H32B relay controller with Home Assistant by MQTT. This is a new way to integrate Home Assistant. It will be very easy and quickly. Okay, let's begin how to do with it. Now I will show you how to integrate this H32B relay controller with the Home Assistant. You can see I can use the MQTT like this, turn on relay 1 and turn off, turn on relay 2 and turn off and turn off. And also I can use the switch panel like this, turn on relay on. You can see this will be update and turn off relays and turn on relay 1 and turn on relay 2 and turn off relay 2 and turn off relay 1. Also we can short for the input point. This is input 1. I can short for these 2 points. You can see the Home Assistant is triggered. This is triggered 1, and this is 2, input 2, and until input 6. So it's very easy. Just input trigger and the relay output. You can control by your phone or by Home Assistant or by the panel. Also you can buy this remote on relay and turn off relay. So now let's look at how to do this integrate. Make sure your H32B firmware is more than this version. If you have older version, you can download from our website. Just H32B, not H32L. H32B have support. And make sure you can set the Wi-Fi setting. There is a Wi-Fi work mode. You can choose to MQTT. And this is blocks IP and blocks point. This block, because I have used the Home Assistant, so I have used this Raspberry Pi 4, this board. We can also go to the supervise, and this is add-on store. We can install the MQTT block, and you can search just like this. You can search mosquito block. I have already installed, so you can install online. It's also very easy and quickly. And you can go to the configuration and input this config line. Just you can set by yourself, like username and the password. This is for your block, mosquito block. And because we have used in local network, so I have not used a key, just not have the circuit file key. Just like this, just choose the first. This is username MQTT and the password is 123. So make sure just leave this information as soon as you set in the network setting. Just this is block's username and the password we can set as soon as the mosquito is okay. This is IP is my Raspberry Pi 4 IP is 220 this IP, and the point default is 1883. So I just set this point. And finished this setting, you just go to the field edit to configure the configuration.yaml file. Just this configuration.yaml file. You can input this is for MQTT servers, broker server IP and the point and the username and the password, just as before. And this is for relay 1. Relay 1, it's topic, a state topic and a command topic. Command topic is for country relay. The state topic is used for read relay state. So it just this is the name set by yourself, 32B 1 and 32B 2. And the state topic, this is your ID. And also the command topic, this is your ID. You can find the ID in your network setting. Just go to this UID. You can copy this ID to the Home Assistant. And the payload on and payload off, just you can first relay just relay 1 payload on 1 on. This is means 1, and this is means 0 is off. Also the state on is 1 and the state off is 0. It's very easy. Just the second relay output as same as the first relay. You just change the number of relay number. This is 2 and this is 3. This is 3 and this 3. Just 1, 2, 3 position to change will be okay. So this is for 32 channel relay output. We can see the last sentence. This is 32. And this is for the input point. Because the H32B have 6 input points. So we just also write the state topic, because the input point only to read the state and not need to country. So we can write only the state topic as same as this state topic. This is the name is changed. This is relay number, and this is input number. Input 1, input 2, input 3. So the payload on and the payload off also is 1 and the 0. So you can just create this sentence, and the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is also as same as this. Just change the number of the input point number. I have already make the lessons guide on this website. You can see the knowledge and the home assistant, and you can find this test. You can copy, easy for copy and paste. You can copy. This is for relay output. This is for input state. You can also download this config file. This is txt file. I have modified complete. You can download for you to use. So when you create this config.yaml file, you just save and restart. Go to the server country, just restart. After the restart, so you can go to the overview, and you will find this entity ID. Because I have created the UI, so you can just edit a dashboard, and you can add the card like the entity ID. You can this time you can choose many entity ID for the relay output. And this is relay input, because this is before time I have created for the serial logic controller. You just will have the input and the relay output. So you can create the card. After you create the card, you will see this window. Now you can use country every relay and by the PC or by your mobile phone. If you country by your mobile phone, you just install your application Home Assistant on your Android phone and the iPhone. It will be work well. Okay, thanks for watching.